Welcome back people. Let's learn about functions in this video. Function is one of the fundamental building block in JavaScript. A function in JavaScript is a set of statements that perform a task or calculate a value. We define a function using the function keyword. So let's look at an example. This is the basic syntax of a function. The content between the curly braces is known as the body of the function. So let's say we can call the function by calling the name of the function. A function can take arguments as input and work according to the input. Let's look at an example for that. So here s dot t is an argument to the hello function and name is the parameter that houses the argument. So let's run this. When you press enter, you get hello s dot t as output. The function can also take multiple parameters. So one of the main advantage of a function is that it can be reused. That means it promotes reusability. Now we know what is a function and how to use it and how to pass an argument to the function, but that is not all. In some cases, we may have to return a value back to the main program from the function, and this is when the return statement is used. Let's see an example for this. So here the return statement returns the value of num times 10 and it gets stored in the num variable and then logged in the console. I hope you would have understood what is a function, how to use it, and what is a return statement, what is an argument, and what is a parameter. With this, we come to a conclusion. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.